Walking around the quadrangle, it is a very special and peaceful place with the animals, the extremely old oak trees out there, being able to sit there looking at the clock tower and feeling the breeze, and just knowing that behind those walls there's some really important things happening. The quadrangle was first built in 1876. It's got historic significance for San Antonio and for our nation. It was the first building at Fort Sam Houston. The history of the building even dates all the way back to when Geronimo was first captured. The folk tale behind it is that to make Geronimo and his men feel more comfortable there, they introduced these animals there, and they've been there ever since. Since then, it's obviously expanded beyond just the quadrangle. Fort Sam Houston is now the Joint Base San Antonio, Fort Sam Houston. It is now home to Army North. The commanding general sits there. And so it's a unique opportunity for HDR to be able to come in and renovate a building with such great historical value that the community has access to. The significance of working in a historical building and bringing it up to a modern level for such important activities to support the client, to support the Army North for our nation's security and for disaster planning, it's very exciting for us. And so to be able to modernize it in a way that it's useful and functional for today's standards is really quite amazing. Hi, my name is Simon Vatswaviak, and I'm a Federal Project Manager.